Hey there, folks! Ukulele back in action. Remember last time we got our ukulele all tuned up and nailed down that strumming pattern? Well, today we're taking it up a notch and putting those skills to good use. Now, if you're new here or just getting started, don't sweat it. Check out the last video to catch up on the prerequisites. No rush. So, let's dive in. Today, I'm gonna hook you up with two of the easiest and most common chords out there. Then we'll jam out a real tune using them. First up, we got C or C major chord. See that tab on the left? Easy peasy. Just plop your index finger on the third fret of a string. Those zeros mean don't press any frets on those strings. On the right, it demo in real cases. Hear that? Give it a strum. If it's not quite right, you might need a tune-up or double-check your finger placement. No biggie. Rewind the video and try again. Next on deck, we've got F or F major chord. Index finger on the first fret of E string, middle finger on the second fret of G string. Strum it. Got it. Sweet. Now, the song, You Are My Sunshine. If you don't know it, check the link in the description for a quick listen. But first, a quick crash course in reading sheet music for rhythm like a pro. Remember our strumming pattern, down, down, and up. Alright, let's break it down. It's got 4 beats in total. Here's the deal. First up, we've got a nice, long down strum that covers 2 beats. That's like the big daddy of our pattern. Then, we hit a quick, short down strum for just 1 beat. It's like a little tap. Finally, we wrap it up with a short up strum, also for 1 beat. Think of it as a little flick of the wrist. Now, when you're reading sheet music, keep an eye out for those quarter notes. Each one represents 1 beat. So, our first long down strum hits on the first 2 quarter notes. The short down comes in on the 3rd quarter note. And the short up finishes off on the 4th note. When you spot a half note, that's 2 beats, so our first down lands on the first half note, and then we split the second half note with a down and an up strum. And if you see a whole note, that's a whopping 4 beats, so you play the whole set of down, down and up on that note, covering the whole duration. Next, the moving cursor. See that blue cursor? Follow it along. When it hits a note with lyrics, you sing easy, right? When it hits the note with a C above it, strum C chord, we start strumming from here, down for sun and down up for shine. Repeat that strumming pattern in every bar, even if there's no C above the note for us ukulele players. When the cursor hits a note with an F above it, switch to F chord. A whole note means a full strumming pattern, and don't forget to switch chords back to C. For the 3 beats note with take, split the strumming pattern, start with long down as usual, then another down on take and up on my. Lastly, watch for those special symbols at the end. They mean slow down gradually. When you strum F, start slowing it down. When the cursor goes to C, strum even slower. Alright, enough talk. Time for a demo. How'd it go? Rewind the video if needed. When you're ready, it's your turn to shine. The tabs are above my head for your cheating. Now. Did you enjoy your first performance? As a first time, I think you did a great job. Rewind the video to practice more until you're satisfied. That's a wrap for today, folks. Next time, we'll add 2 more chords to your arsenal. Drop a comment to tell me what you think. And hey, if you want to see me more, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay tuned for the next lesson. Until then, keep strumming and stay groovy.